Dancing is usually a form of celebration, but not always. With us to share South Africa's warrior dance called Zulu is a young man named Sduduzo Ka-Mbili.
My name is Sduduzo Ka-Mbili. I'm representing South Africa as a soloist. I'm going to be performing a Zulu dance style. It's a warrior type of dance. One of the most heartbreaking things was coming to America and seeing that Americans were not being introduced to our culture. I realized I had to engage myself in this and try to teach people about the style, about the culture, because that's really what helps people understand and respect one another.
Fantastic. I loved it. I have to say, just to think, I used to get in trouble for taking my shirt off. You'd be in big trouble in the pubs in Ireland. Well done, my friend. Well done.
I'm here with South African coach Tandy. How do you feel? Explain. Sduduzo?
Sduduzo
did in his dance.
He did well, but he could still give us more. He is a good dancer. Yeah. He did his best, but I know he has a lot stored for us.
Well, let's check in with Michael and the judges.
Argentina, please.
I give you an 8.
India.
Aunt, 8.
Australia.
7.
United States of America.
9.
Ireland.
7.
Russia.
8.
And finally, China.
8.
Okay, let's see the scoreboard and see how that young lad did. South Africa's score, 55 points for South Africa. And now if we add that together with the scores from earlier for their group dance, let's see the master scoreboard, add the two together, and they have 112 points for South Africa. 112 points puts them in third place. Ireland in the lead, Australia second, South Africa third. Lots more dancing to come when we come back on Superstars of Dance.
America's Duet meets the